Hey everyone! Before we get started with today's video, just wanted to give you an overview of Hong Kong's geography, so you can see where it is in relation to the rest of Asia. So everything you see here is Hong Kong. You can see there are so many different islands, it's a peninsula, there's a lot of different parts that make up Hong Kong. I live on Hong Kong Island, so that's the green part, and in today's video we're going to be going to Sai Kung, which is one of the beaches in the east side of the Purple. So just a little bit of background, just so you can get a little bit of, understand a little bit about the geography. So, in order to get to Sai Kung from Hong Kong Island, you can take the MTR, which is like the subway system. However, I was running late this morning, so Mr. Lavi and I took a taxi just to meet our friends at the bus station. So here, this is where you have to take a little minibus to take you, obviously, the bus takes you further out to like the further, more secluded areas. Again, this is a really great day trip. So we left like in the morning and just spent the whole day. This was a Sunday, I think, just at the beach. Definitely a really great activity to just get out and, you know, out of the city and see something new. So this is Sai Kung. This is where the bus led us off at. And from here, we actually have to take another cab to go even further to a more secluded side of the island, but you'll see all that soon. Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know if you can hear me. Again, I'll have to put subtitles if you can't. Today we're having a beach day. I know I look like ridiculous. I'm here, I'm underneath the glasses. I think you guys saw we took the bus to get here. So yeah, it's gonna be just a nice hang out in the beach day. Hong Kong has so many different types of geographies. It's not just city, like there's so many beautiful beaches and hiking and nature. So I'm excited to take you guys along and try to take this mask off once we get there. We're just ordering food now. We're in Sai Kung. I'll put the name so you guys know where we are. But yeah, let's get the day going. I went over here to film, but the rest of our group is back over here. Let's go. The views on this side of Hong Kong are really so incredible. I have a whole video of us actually going and exploring this area. I'll make sure to link it for you guys. But the views really are so beautiful. So this is where we actually ended up going for the last cab, and we have to hike over that little mountain to the, it was maybe like 5 minutes to get to the beach where we're going, but it was really beautiful. Obviously, as you can see, very secluded, which is why we had to get food before we left. But really peaceful, and honestly just a great way to get out, just to get away from the city for a little bit. So this is the beach. So at most of the beaches in Hong Kong, you can rent umbrellas or chairs when you get there. I thought it was going to be the same here, and that was not the case, but that's okay. I still made it work. I had an umbrella with me. Thankfully, it was very hot this day. But you can see you're just right in the mountains on the water. It's very beautiful. Lunch was delicious. We picked this up before we came out, but so relaxing and peaceful. Just honestly such a good beach day. Just being at the water, honestly, laying on the beach, hearing the waves is just so calming and relaxing. It's really one of my favorite parts of being in Hong Kong. I really appreciate living in like close proximity to such great beaches. Again, you can see how secluded it is. You really don't even feel like you're in Hong Kong when you come here. Hey guys, so you didn't see me that much. I literally just like slept on the beach and went in the water a little bit. A successful beach day. we're gonna take the boat. So you guys saw us, I don't know if I took video of us like walking here, but it was like a little bit of a hike, like 5 minutes. And then we take these boats back to Sai Kung, where you guys saw me in the beginning. So I'll show you that. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoying it so far. Just a lovely beach day. Very relaxing Sunday. Just come and sleep on the beach. So this is our boat. There's another way to get here, and you could take it by boat. But yeah, we took the boat back just because it's easier. Luckily for us, the waves were really calm this day, so it was a really nice, leisurely ride back. So now we're pulling back up to Sai Kung, which is where you saw me in the beginning. So this is the dock where the bus actually dropped us off at previously. And yeah, this is just the boardwalk. You can see it's very much a process to get, you know, from like downtown in the city out to some of the more secluded areas of Hong Kong, but it's definitely worth it. How beautiful are these trees? The plants here really are just so fabulous, but yeah, I really like these trees. We decided to take a cab straight back home after this just because it was easier. But I hope you enjoyed following us around on our Hong Kong beach day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!